So this is the Kizer limited edition quartz knife. It comes in this really nice looking box over here. And inside you'll find the actual knife. Now what makes this knife really nice is that it features very good material and it looks absolutely futuristic as well. It's so sharp that it has this thing right on the bottom here so you don't accidentally cut yourself while you actually are handling this precious beauty. Now inside here we have a few things for us to check out. Opening this up, we have a shaft for us to go ahead and put this into use. We can also put this on our belt as well with a quick release on the side here that lets you open and close this, put it right on the belt. A place for you to put this knife right on yourself, and in case you don't like this specific mechanism, you can just go ahead and remove the shaft right out of here as well. Put this right back in here and see how well this thing comes out. And it comes out very easily. Also, it's very safe as well. As you can see, when it comes out, there is the protection here that prevents you from cutting yourself as it comes out. You'll be surprised number of knives that don't have this safety feature. First of all, some of them are super hard for you to get them out, and two is as you take it out, on one side it might actually cut you, and this one doesn't have this problem. It also features an extra clip for you too, a rope to make it a neck knife, and some other tools here for you to use too. Now let's go ahead and check out the main meal, which is the actual quartz knife here. Now this specific knife is really nice. I like the way it actually looks. It has this lino look to this. I really am digging the whole entire style. The feel of this is very premium too, and the blade is beautiful as well. This is a special blade, by the way. It looks really slick. But talking about slick, nothing does it by actually testing the knife out and seeing how well it actually performs. I like the way this whole thing is made. As you can see, it's not the usual shape you will get a knife to actually be, because it is very, very different kind of design to this. Now, if you're getting very close to the action, you can actually do so. It lets you go all the way here and you can still cut things with and chop them and do whatever you need to actually do. The blade itself is really nice looking shape over here, and it is a fat blade. Not just saying fat isn't cool. The size of it is a little bit on the fat side as well. And the steel goes right throughout it in the G10 material on the side. It is really slick too. I really like the way it actually feels, looks, and the dribbling right on this top over here as well, giving it quick chop suey access to this very well. Really nice looking, with a place for you to go ahead and put your favorite rope over here to hang this on. So let's go ahead and test it out and see how well this actually performs in real life test. So first off, let's get some paracord over here, something you might see in a camp. You can see this thing easily cuts it, and it chops it as well. Great job, by the way. Next test over here is a piece of rope. How does it perform cutting this? Chopping test. Pretty good. Cutting test. Cutting test is a bit hard because this is a very hard piece of rope to cut. And a lot of knives actually failed this test previously, so yeah, this thing is pretty tough thing to cut. So let's try it like this. It does pretty good job actually. This is very, by the way, hard piece to cut, so we have had fails on almost every single knife for this. So this is a really good way to test how well it cuts in a survival situation, in case you need to cut a very hard to cut rope. And it did a pretty good job cutting it. So definitely if you need it cut and then chopped, this will get the job done and you'll be free in no time. Now, next thing over here is the block test, which is pretty much we're using the block and we're seeing what kind of marks this thing is going to leave on it by just hitting it. It's pretty good. See, this is from a survival knife right here, compared to this one is just as good of a chop. Another thing about this, take a look at the knife itself. There's absolutely no marks, which is the hallmark of an excellent knife right here. One more test. We had a piece of wood here. See how easily this translates to cutting it. So overall, really good knife with a lot of skills to this. Look how nice it looks after we have used it. And it is super sharp and easy for you to hold in your hand. Overall, I give this a 9.5 out of 10. It is very well made, and it's going to be one of my favorite new EDCs that I'll be using for survival, bushcraft, or just for everything else that I need for a fixed blade knife.